What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be drawing classic Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson on the bottom left side of the page with the nose. So start on the end, we're going to draw an oval coming down at an angle. So we're going to come down, round out the nose and go back up towards the top. Now along the top we're going to draw a smaller oval for highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now from here, we're going to tuck the muzzle in behind the nose. So we're going to start on the right side. We're going to start by going across and then down. And we'll bend that up towards the cheek. Let's round out the cheek, come down towards the bottom of the chin. Now I want to make our way across towards the left side. So we're going to come down, round out the chin, and then pull that up. Let's round out the left cheek and tuck that in behind the nose. Now let's shift the mouth over towards the right side. Starting at the very top, we're going to start with a bracket. And then in the center, we're going to curve the mouth, coming down and then in. Now with that in place, let's move up and draw on the brow. We're going to start directly above the nose. Let's start with the right side. We're going to come across and up, round out the eye, round up the side, and just pull that in on top of the cheek. Now let's go up above the left eye. Just going to round out the center. Going up, round out the eye, come down, and then in. Now let's draw on the pupils. We're going to start in the center of the right eye, starting from the very top. Let's draw an oval, coming down, around, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight oval, and then fill the bottom of the eye in black. Now I want to draw the left pupil on top of the nose. So I'm going to start up here, curve this down, around, then up in the middle. Let's add a curve along the top for a highlight, and then fill the bottom of the eye in black. Now let's add that thick fold across the eyes. Let's start on top of the left cheek. We're going to go around the eye, go up higher in the middle on the top, and just bend that down. Let's add that fold across the top of the right eye. We're going to go up, across, and then down. Let's go underneath the cheek on the right side. We're going to add a fold going across the side of the head. Let's move up and draw the right ear on top of the right brow. Start with a curve on the inside, going up and out. Round out the ear, come out, and then down. Let's trace the ear along the outside, going up towards the top, and then back down. And it's going to connect the bottom with a curve. Now from here, let's draw on the top spike. We're going to start on top of the brow on the left side. We're going to curve the head, going up, go across, and then out. And we'll bend that back in and then down beside the ear. Let's add two more spikes. Let's add the second one, going out and then down. Bend this in and then down towards the side of the head. Let's add one more spike, going out and then down towards the bottom. Now I just want to tuck this in underneath the chin, coming in and then up. Now on the top left side of the head, we're going to turn the ear back. So let's start on top of the brow, bend this up and then out towards the tip. Now I just want to bend this back in towards the head. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw a classic Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.